Good morning, children. Hope you all must have completed your classwork as well as homework. And if you have not understood any part of the exercise, then you write that question and you can ask me in the next week. I'll take a doubt class in Zoom app. Okay. So now we'll move to the exercise 1.3, 1.1 and 1.2 we have completed. Okay. 1.3 exercise is regarding your place value and face value. Okay. So first of all you see what is a face value. Okay. Face value of a digit is the value of digit itself. That means suppose you look at your face. Okay. When you look in the mirror, you can look the face of yourself only. Do you look, if you see the mirror, do you see your mother's face or brother's face there? No. So that's like when we find the face value of a digit, it is the same itself. Okay, it doesn't change. Okay. Face value, see the number 7,45,392. Okay. So here the face value of 7. Though 7 is in lakhs place. Okay. But the face value is 7 only. 4 is in 10,000 place. But the 4 face value is 4 only. Okay. 5 face value 5. Face value of 3 3. 9 9. And 2 2. I hope you have understood. So that means face value doesn't change. It is the number itself. Okay. Now what is place value? Place value of a digit is according to the place it is in. That means it changes. How it changes? It changes according to the place it is placed in. Okay. 0 is placed in ones place, 5 tens, 7 in hundreds place, 8 thousands place, 5 is in 10,000 place and 6 is in lakhs place. Okay. So now what is the place value of 6? 6 is in lakhs place. So it is 6 lakhs. Okay. It is 6 lakhs. And 5 place value is 5 10,000. 5 10 means 50,000. And 8 place value 8,000. Okay. You can see. 7 place value 7 is in 100 place. So 700. You can write like this also 700s. Okay. 700s or 700. 8,000s or 8000. 8,000 like this. And 5 is in tens place. So 5 10 50. Okay. 5 tens 50. And 0 in ones place. So 0 has no value. Maybe 0, if 0 in be lakhs place or thousand place. So it will be 0 only. Okay. So now move to the exercise 1.3. Open your book. First of all you mark which questions are there in your syllabus. Okay. Question number 1. Put tick mark. Next question number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. 8 is not there. 2 is not there. Okay. These questions are not there in a syllabus. 2 and 8. And then 9 also not there. Sorry. 9 is there. 10 is not there. And the next page. Question number 11 is there. And 12 is not there. Okay. So now see the question. So this exercise you do in your notebook. Okay. Find the place value of the encircled digit in Indian system. Okay. Indian system, you know, it has ones, tens, 100 place, then 1000, TTH, 10,000, then lakhs place. So these 3 places, then we put a comma, then 1000 place we put a comma like this. Okay. So till this you know. So in this is ones period, this is thousands period, then lakhs period. Okay, then it will come 10 lakh. Okay, like this. So first in ones period we have 3 digit, then 2 digit in every period. Okay. So this you have to remember. So now first question you see 7,88,500 5. If you don't understand how to put, first you write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, then you can understand. This is 7 lakh. And what is the place value? Next, like this you do in copy. I have done in notebook here, so you can do like this. Okay, 7 place value 7 lakhs is equal to, write in number. Okay, 7 comma 0 0 0 0 0. Then this 7, you see, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Like this you count from right to left. 7 10,000. 7 10,000 means 7 10 70, then 1000. Okay, then here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 2 in 1000 place, so it is 2000. Now 8 in 8, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 8 10,000, 8 10 means 80,000. Okay, and then 6 in 100 place. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, so 600 is equal to 600. So like this it is 6,000. Then 3 ones are 3, and 0, I told 0 wherever it is, the 0 has the value 0 only. Okay, and then these two are your homework, note down. Okay, now come to question number 3, because question number 2 is not there. Find the difference between the place value and face value of 2 in 3,25,008. So this is the number 3,25,008. Here 2 is there. See? So what is the place value of 2 and what is the face value of 2? PV, place value, is equal to 20,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 20,000. And face value is equal to 2, because face value does not change. It is the number itself. So write here. Then the question is asked here, find the difference. Difference means to subtract. Okay. We find the difference by subtracting. So subtract here 20,000 minus 2. Difference is equal to 19,998. Okay. So now move to the next question number 4. Find the difference between place values of 2 5s in 6,35,458. You can see in 6,35,458 there are 2 5s are there. One 5 is in tens place and another 5 is in thousands place. You can mark like this, so it will be more easier for you to find the place value. Okay, 1000, 10,000, lakh, like this you mark. So 5 in tens place, this 5 is in thousand place. The place value, we have to find the place values and then difference. So place values of 2 5s is equal to, first 5, the bigger one, because to find the difference we'll write first the bigger one. So 5,000, and the next 5 is 50, 5 tens 50. Then difference is equal to, you subtract and you'll get 4,950. Okay. Difference means to subtract. Now next question number 5. Find the sum of the place values of 3 4s in 8,44,042. Okay, so mark like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Difference means to subtract, like this. Sum means to add. Okay, so place values of 3 4s. How many 4s are there? 4 in tens place, 4 in thousands place, then next 4 is in 10,000 place. So place values of 3 4s are 40,000. Here it is 4 10,000 40,000. Next plus 4,000 plus 40. Okay. So first, second, third. 3 4s are there. So then you add together. What is the sum? 44,040. Okay, we don't read 0, 100. 44,040. Next question number 6. How many times is the second 5 from the first 5 in 2,53,524? So how many times means how many times bigger? Okay. So place value of second 5. First second 5 is, what is the second 5? This is the first 5. This is the second 5. Why? Because we move from right to left. Okay, like this. So when you move from right to left, first 5 is 5 hundreds and second 5 is 5 10,000. So place value of second 5 is equal to 5 10,000 is equal to 50,000. Okay, understanding or not? Next, place value of first 5 is 5 hundreds is equal to 500. Now, number of times bigger. Okay, how many times it is bigger? To know this, we have to divide. 50,000 divided by 500. So, easy way, if 0 are there, okay, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay, if both have zeros, we can cut. Here 2 zeros are there, so here 2 zeros you cut. So, rest left 500 and here 5. So, 500 divided by 5 is equal to 100. So, how many times it is bigger? 100 times. Okay, this is the way you can solve in copy. And orally also we can write the answer. Okay, another way that I am telling you, a shortcut way how to find. If there is no way to solve it, only write the answer. Okay, in exam you will get, you see 5 and then this 5. How many difference are there? 1, 2. How many gaps are there? 1, 2. So in 1, 2, 0 you put. So it will be 100 times. Okay, this is a shortcut way. But in copy you have to solve in this way. Now question number 7. Find the sum of the face value and place value of 3. So same way that I solved earlier. Okay, so first to write the number. Write 1 tens 100, 1000 10,000 and lakhs. Okay, place values. Place value of 3 3000. Face value the 3 then sum 3003. Now next question, mark the periods and write the expanded notation in Indian system. Okay, so you have to remember this. Okay, 1 tens 100 separate boxes you have written like this. Okay, mark in with scale you can make boxes. 1000 10,000 lakhs, and this 1 tens 100 together comes in 1's period. 1000 and 10,000 together comes in thousands period, and lakh in L in lakhs period. Okay, if you will have more digit here, you can write 10 lakh also. Okay, TL. But we have got 6 digits only, so 6 digits will fit in till lakhs only. So first write like this, then place the digit 305489. So now write in expanded form. 3 is in lakhs place, so 3 lakhs plus. Always remember when you write in expanded form, we put a plus sign. Okay, then 0 10,000, then 5 plus 5 thousands plus 4 hundreds plus 8 tens plus 9 ones. Okay, then we can write like this also. Okay, 3 lakhs plus 0 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 9. Okay, same way we can do the next number also. It is 4,79,865. So first you make a table, put all the digits according to the place values, and this is first way to write the expanded notation. Both way you should remember and learn, and this is the second method. Okay, so now I have given here a homework from question number 9. Okay, so this you can do in your copy with your own. Write in expanded notation. Now question number 11, write in short form in Indian system. Okay, so here in your book more stress is given to Indian system, so you should know it thoroughly. So here the question is written in expanded form. You have to write in short form. Okay. So first of all, you see the biggest place value is in lakhs place. So first you write all the place value. L, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Then you write the digit 3 lakhs. So 3 to be written in lakhs place. 40,000 means 4 10,000. So write here. 5,000. So 5 in thousands place. 600, 6 to be written in hundreds place. 80, 8 tens and 7 ones. Okay. Then you put comma. So this is the short form only. Is it easy or not? Yes. So, but it will be correct if you write always the place values. Okay. Close you can write, and according to the place value fit the numbers. Write the numbers. It is 8,60,000. 60,000 means 10,000. Then 7,000. But here you see, is there any hundreds number? No. So that means in hundreds place what to write? 0. Then 70 means 7 tens and 7 ones. Then you put comma accordingly. After hundreds place we put a comma. After 10,000 place we put a comma. Okay. So in this way you solve next question. This will be your homework. So now see, I am solving in front of you. See, this question number E and F are your homework. 9 lakhs. So I'll write in 9 in lakhs place. 90,000 means 9 10,000. But here there is no thousands place. So what to do? I'll write a 0 here. Then 8 hundreds, 8 to write in hundreds place. 8 tens, 80. And there is no ones place. So I'll write 0 here. Then ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma. So it is 9,90,880. Okay. Hope you all have understood and do enough practice. Okay. And these two questions as your homework. Thank you, children.